More YouTube, more Instagram. How's everybody doing today? It's the 11th. Got PPI coming up. Woo. Probably just gonna let PPI do his thing at this point. Was happy late essay too. So good thing. Good thing we were patient here. Yeah, I'm really glad Chevy didn't take that sell. Understand the PPI coming in. Good thing we were able to wait because yesterday, I wasn't even paying attention, pretty unorganized, and didn't realize we had high impact news. I got into a position thinking we had like normal market conditions, and I got burnt for it. So good thing we didn't do the same thing here. With an hour left in this excuse me, 24 minutes left in this hourly candle, um, if it closes bearish like this, I mean, I don't know. I could potentially may take a sell position here if it's gonna start creating a new hourly resistance. But I mean, if the 30 minutes closing like this, done, I'm gonna try to get the buy. If it closes exactly like this and a little bit above that resistance, then I'd buy. Alright, folks. So basically, at this point, folks, we're just gonna be waiting for either the 30 minutes to close pretty much above this to pretty much catch like a nice retracement play. We just have to be relatively careful because we do have rejections right here around the same level that we're at currently. So definitely gotta keep that in the back of my mind when it comes down to buys. Excuse me. All right, chat. I'm gonna basically go ahead, hold it down. We got 18 minutes left in this candle to close. I really want to wait for the candle to close before I enter any type of position, buy or sell type stuff. But what I'm trying to say is, um, I want to see the confirmation of this candle, see how this candle ends up closing, and then we'll go off that decision on how we're gonna go ahead and play about this. If we're gonna go take this buy position, if we're just gonna chill, we may sell. X, Y, Z. There's gonna be a whole bunch of things going on, but I'm leaning more towards taking this buy position. Um, but I'm not gonna take a buy position until we do the candle is closed, and I want to check the hourly and some other confluences. But until then, we're just gonna be patient. We got about 17 minutes here, and we'll just be patient, wait, and see what happens with this. But I'll be right back, chat. I'll be back. I'd say when there's about maybe 5 minutes left in the candle. But yeah, I'll be right back. Hey, my boy Golden, what's going on, buddy? Sorry about that. All right, beautiful. So we are closing above quite a bit at this point. I really didn't care. Like, obviously, we had potential entries right here, but obviously, very early entries. We had about, I'd say, 11, 12 minutes when we were looking at the candle at that point. Of course, if we did take those buys there, I mean, could have been profitable at this point, but at the end of the day, we just can't fully determine that, and I want to have the best probability, so I'm waiting and being patient here for this candle to close. This little previous resistance here might have a little bit of a factor to do something, but honestly, I feel like with how much we've been moving towards the upside, not to mention we do have NYSE volume coming in here soon, we should be able to just disregard this entirely and hopefully be able to recreate this whole move all the way up to 2046. But for the meantime, we are just going to be patient, hold it down, see what goes on. This should be confusing whenever you got the stock brokerage not aligning correctly. Obviously, since we had a jump and some slippage there, for some reason on my stock or my forex broker is basically saying like it's got a resistance here, which is quite funny to see. Especially when I'm looking at a whole nother chart and it's giving me a whole other information. Because if I was looking at this, I'd want to sell. I'd look at this and be like, oh, we're actually making resistance again. Boom, could have a big potential to go back down. So this is kind of interesting to see here. Whether I'm going to just take the analysis off of the broker from this, which I believe is Onda. It is Onda or whatever. Oh, Onda. Hey, Golden Bro's going good, bro. Going pretty decent. My week's going all right. I can't say it's going the greatest, honestly. Kind of had a hiccup in the road there. But we'll see how we fare, pan out here in the next 3 minutes. I'm a little it's a little tough. I'm a little torn between the two, between a sell and a buy here. Because on the hourly, if it closes like this, I mean, like a substitute didn't seem terrible. But at the end of the day, with how much momentum we've been having, I feel like we still be able to continue bullish. Haven't pushed crazy amount, so let's see. We have pushed about 150 pips, so. Can't lie, the difference here, like what it looks like, is quite substantial. Like two totally different charts here. Which makes this position that much more weird to enter, honestly. That's why I'm totally just going to enter one position and just let that run. Win or lose, we'll just call it a day, and we'll be back here for sure tomorrow. Got to get that consistency back up because I ain't going to lie, these past couple of days, either I was been a little too overconfident. I feel like it's been between a mix of overconfidence. I wasn't organized as well because the day before wasn't even paying attention to news events, and I got burnt like instantly. So I had in mind that it was normal market conditions when it was nowhere near normal market conditions. So very important for me to stay organized, stay focused when it comes down to understanding economic news events, because if it ain't normal market conditions, it's definitely better to be careful. So 2033.75, 2033.75, 2033.75. Glacius, my boy, my boy Golden. How's it going for you though, man? How's life been treating you? How's the trades been going this week? Every time we learning, so nothing always nothing a bad thing there. Got 29 seconds till this candle closes. A big part of me wants to enter two positions here and risk the full 3%, but at the end of the day, I just want to be more for certain here. It's kind of a weird situation we're in. And technically, I mean, we're closing above this too, so even kind of better here. Although this is so weird though, because like I know in the back of my head, like my my own the Forex broker on TradingViews got it showing that this is bullish, and on my actual broker it's showing that it's like bearish. So kind of a cool little I guess learning moment here. I'm basically learning better whether I should basically trust my Forex broker's analysis more than, or not. I guess my not the analysis is what they're printing out. Personally, I definitely like my trading views. What they got going over there, but So position is going deep into drawdown at this point. Not gonna get scared off in the position. Could just make me a big liquidity wick here for a bullish candle. Um, but at the end of the day, it is making me understand a little bit more. Maybe this is something to pay attention to in regards to we got our bullish candle closing nicely and bullish, but we'll be able to reject that area. Definitely nearing the stop loss, closer and closer at this point. Wow. So definitely getting super close to hitting. Yeah, there we go. All right, guys. So took another loss there. Definitely having a rough week. I'm really kind of having some trouble right now this week. Um, which I understand, but is part of the process here, and I gotta make sure I just gotta keep studying a little bit more and more. Actually, not even a little bit more, like a whole lot more. Just keep it going and just keep learning, cause it's definitely testing me. I was doing well last week, and this week really kind of caught up to me. Um, and it is what it is there. But I will say this is like a good reminder there. At this point, it's better just to go off my broker's analysis. Um, it would always be the better option there. So it kind of had me, as an understanding of either going in between this, but then this is my 30-minute. Same thing with the other one, still 30-minute candles. Just definitely better off that I would have went off of those candles opposed to this one. Um, so yeah, definitely interesting day today. All right, folks, definitely gonna be my last trade. I just want to make sure I save this screenshot here. A little slightly embarrassing upload to the Discord here. Been fucking up my consistency quite a bit, especially this week. Hit me definitely a little differently. It's kind of like it definitely sucks. Um, but I can't let it get to me like that. I just gotta keep doing better, and there's nothing else I can say besides that. Um, Anybody that was tuned in watching this stream, I do appreciate you guys tuning in and watching me today. Thank you guys for taking any time out of your day to try and come here today and get better, learn, do XYZ, get a little bit more information here on trading. But at the end of the day, just want to make sure that my services are doing better and better. And at this moment, this week definitely has proven to be completely fucked up. To be honest, I'm not doing great here on this week, and you know, I can only plan to do trade better the Thursday and Friday as well. Um, Obviously at this point I'm taking one position. There's no need to take two positions. Don't want to be killing myself. I just want to get that consistency back up and take it slow. Um, but yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in my stream today. Unfortunately, we did take a loss, so is what it is, guys. But Golden, bro, thank you so much for tuning in today, bro. Hope all your trades are going great and according to plan. Let's keep it moving, man. We can only keep learning and keep going up. Uh, so guys, take it easy. Thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Let's take a look before I just close the stream. Let's take a look and see what we got going on for tomorrow. Oh my goodness, hey, it is Thursday. Wow, so silly. Uh, so Friday we got stuff at London session, gross domestic product, and then at 9 a.m. we have prelim. So we got the University of Michigan doing a consumer sentiment. Um, we'll see how that turns out for us around 9 a.m. Potentially get a position in before then, maybe around like 8:30 New York Stock Exchange. But we'll definitely see how that turns out for us, guys. Other than that, though, folks, y'all have a great day. Super good tuning in with you guys, and we'll be seeing each other again very, 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 very soon.